Good morning, students. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to talk about the parallels and meridians.
Students, today we are going to learn more about the imaginary lines which help us to locate place on a globe or a map. Students, look here. Here, these lines, the lines which are parallel to each other are called parallels or lines of latitude, and the lines which are running from this north pole to the south pole, they are called the meridians or the longitude. Now students, to learn this imaginary line, first we should know about the equator. This is the equator, an imaginary line drawn midway between the north pole and the south pole, divides the earth into two equal parts, is known as equator. This is the equator that divides the earth into two equal parts. This is the longest line of latitude. This is the longest line of latitude. The part of the earth from the equator to the north pole, okay, is called the northern hemisphere. Means this part is called the northern hemisphere. From equator to the north pole, it is called northern hemisphere, and the part from the equator, to the south, here to the south, it is called the southern hemisphere. Now students, we are going to talk about the parallels, that means lines of latitude and longitude, or the lines of. Now here comes the picture. Now students, these are called parallel lines. These are called the parallel lines. Parallel lines or lines of latitude are the full circles. They are the full circles, means the circle starts from the east. The circle which starts from the east, and ends towards the west. Now there are 181 parallels or lines of latitude. Okay, now we will talk about the lines of longitude. These are the lines of longitude, or they are called the meridians. Okay, they are called the meridians. The meridians are the set of lines which run from north to south on globe. Meridians cut the parallels at right angles. Now, here we are going to learn more about this parallel lines and meridians. Now, parallel lines That means lines of latitude have 4 important parallel lines. That is Arctic Circle 66.5 degree, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree, and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree, Arctic Circle that is 66.5 degree. These are the important parallel lines of the lines of latitude. Now, and we will now look here. Now students, look. Now students, now I am going to tell you about the prime meridian, which is found in the longitude. Look here student, this is the prime meridian which passes through Greenwich. In meridians, this is the prime meridian. After that, what we are going to see now? We are going to see the difference. What is the difference between the parallels and meridians? We will compare this, and after comparing this, we will come to know that they are the lines which are imaginary lines drawn on a map or a globe to locate the place. With this, we can locate the place on a globe or a map. Thank you.